About a month ago, OpenAI released Deep Research, which is a tool that enables users to conduct in-depth searches across a range of sources. It provides detailed, well-cited, and synthesized insights on complex topics. It does take a few minutes to run, but often is worth it. But as is the case from what we've come to expect in the AI space, new innovations rarely stay at the forefront of the conversation. Enter Manus. Just a few days ago, a Chinese startup called the Butterfly Effect launched Manus, which is an autonomous agent that can plan and execute tasks on its own. You can ask it to plan a trip or build a game. It'll break down the request into subtasks and use tools, write code, and deliver a final result, all without step-by-step prompts. This level of autonomy has generated a massive amount of excitement, with people calling it a digital employee capable of handling multi-step workflows, and in the last week or so, they've amassed about 2 million people on the waitlist to access their product. Under the hood, the tool uses a multi-agent system. This means specialized sub-agents like a planner agent, knowledge agent, and executor agent work together, delegating tasks to others like a coding or browsing agent to ultimately do whatever it's being asked to do. It runs async in a cloud sandbox, allowing you to give it a task and walk away, receiving a notification when it's done. What's gotten a particular amount of hype is the tool's zero-shot use cases where with one question, the tool does something really intense, like build a full stack app. For instance, one user on Twitter asked one question and Manus built an entire flight simulator app that could run in a browser. I checked out some of the examples on their site and there were a ton of really interesting demo projects they've created, from a Y Combinator research and data export tool to a 3D demo of a room with furniture you can change the style of, to a website for tracking investments. They've also released an open source version of the tool, which you can run locally on your own computer, which as of March 12th has about 31,000 stars that they got in about 6 days. Based on some of the reports that they've released, Manus benchmarks higher than the current state-of-the-art tools, and there's been a good amount of positive hype online from people who have used it. However, there are some other people who have used the tool who have been less than impressed. At the end of the day, it's a new tool from a startup, and my opinion is that if it was really as good as they say it is, they would be letting more people use it faster. The scenarios are impressive that they give, but as is the case with anything new in AI, it's good to have a skeptical eye for tools with waitlists. Regardless of how stable it actually ends up being today, Manus gives a really impressive look at what the future of working with AI will look like, and feels like a big step forward in a lot of ways for the technology. What do you think of Manus? Are you on the waitlist? Let me know in the comments, and as always, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button as it really helps the channel. See you in the next video.